Hello, everyone. I'm Sife Mary, a mental health advocate. I'm a psychosocial support agent. Yeah, a psychosocial support therapist. I'm here to create awareness on mental health issues. Thanks for watching the other videos. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate. Always leave your comments below. Yeah, so we can see what you want us to talk about. Uh, I talked of factors affecting children's mental health. Now, today I'm going to be talking on depression. And the next topic will be depression in women. Now, I'm starting on depression on men, how they manage their own depression, and how we can help them. Yeah, so we know depression is a mental illness. Depression is already a mental illness. We have mental disorders like sadness, loneliness, quietness. Those are disorders. But when you come to depression, it is already a bad stage of the mental illness that needs a specialist. It needs psychologists. It needs a psychiatrist. Yeah, it needs a therapist that will follow up for some months, for some time, depending on the particular issue for the person to heal. So we are here to create awareness for you to pay attention to the people suffering from depression in your families or in your society, in and around you, so we can help them to bounce back, to move on, to heal, because you know depression can lead to death. Yeah, if it's neglected, somebody can fall, collapse, get to paralysis, or partial stroke, or get to stroke, or even death. Yeah, so we have causes of depression. We have serious causes like family issues, yeah, wills, property, fighting property. Sometimes when the father dies, the male child, maybe sometimes they will, they don't have property, they don't take the father's property, they have taken everything from them, so they don't own anything. Maybe they are driven from their land, so it can cause the man to fall in depression. When all your property is seized from you, when your business is seized from you, when your belongings are seized from you, or when someone takes ownership over your things, it can lead to a depression, and it can even lead to death. Yeah, if it is not tackled on time, if it is not handled on time. So we have joblessness, we have a loss of a loved one, domestic violence in families where there is a lot of conflicts. Yeah, sometimes where the mother is the Margaret Thatcher of the house, the man has no saying in the house, so he gets frustrated and falls into depression. At times he comes home, maybe he start coming home late, yeah, because of domestic violence. Yeah, he gets into depression and may not take care of the family again, may start behaving funny, drinking, getting drunk, yeah, take substance abuse, and many other things, and even start cheating, and many other things. So domestic violence can lead to a lot of depression. We have character deformation, we have a rejection, maybe from, or even loss of a job. You lost your job, or you get frustrated, then economic crisis, wars, conflicts, you have to be displaced from your country to another one. People fall into depression because of many reasons. Then lack of shelter, maybe caused by natural disasters like flood, landslides, and the rest. So somebody, or demolition of houses as it happens. Sometimes the man does not have shelter for him and his family, so it causes him to fall into depression. Yeah, you have a lack of education too, because at a certain age you are doing some odd jobs. Yeah, you will not, you, the person, you will really be depressed, because some people can start mocking at you. Look at this man, a truck pusher, look at this man, because some, we are very fast to judge, and that stigmatization comes in, so the man will feel so depressed. Like the case of domestic violence, the man does not, his place is taken, he does not feel, he feels inferior, he does not, he's like, his opinion does not count, so he doesn't talk again, he doesn't care, he does not do anything to help anybody, so he is just there. And that is how, if we very soon you start getting to thoughts of maybe suicide and the rest, even harm to, he can even get to self-harm or harm any other person, like helpers that come around. He can even harm some other person with dangerous objects, because he has been depressed to a certain degree. So we have consequences of depression, and how it affects the mental health of the children and the people that live in the family. Yeah, we already talk of drunkenness, drug abuse, sexual harassment. Some people that are into depression, they get into sexual harassment. They harass women here and there. Some even go to they drive away family members. They live alone. They don't want anybody around them. So depression is a serious issue. Let us help them to heal by taking them to the right quarters, by counseling them and loving them. Thanks for watching. Always leave your comments below. Thanks for your time.